Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Absolutely Sha. Welcome to my channel, and by the title, I am going to share with you my May Boxycharm unboxing. Excuse my dog, that's Bruno. If you already know, then you know who he is. But yes, so by the title, I'm going to share with you my May Boxycharm unboxing. If you are unfamiliar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly beauty makeup subscription service that they send you 4 to 5 full-size items, and it's roughly $26–27 a month. So if you want to see what nice goodies I got in this May edition of Boxycharm, then make sure you stick around. Okay, so I have not opened this box, so I am going to open up for the very first time and share with you what I received. This is a little bit bent, but each subscription box you get, they give you a postcard, and it has all of the information on the items that you received. So this is Boxycharm and this is Flourish. So excuse my nails, I'm getting them done on Tuesday. But yes, this says Flourish. So this is a cute little postcard. I'll be referring to this as I pull the items out of the box to let you know what the item is, as well as what the retail value of it is, okay? So let's start with this first item. So it's the Murad Environmental Shield. It's the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. And so I'm gonna open it up, and it comes in this. I feel like I'm super far away from the okay, I don't know how to open it, guys. I feel like you just pump and it comes out, but this is, if you guys can see that, this is what the top of it looks like. So this is why I think you just press down on it. But let's see what, I got hair all on me. Let's see what the retail value of this is. So the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer, the value of this is $74. $74. So that's the retail value of that. Next I have is the Hydrating Hybrid 2-in-1 Lipstick Balm, and this is from Sophia and Mabel. All right, I'm gonna scoot up. I feel like I'm super far. Okay, so this is Sophia and Mabel, and it's a 2-in-1 lip balm. Okay, so this is the packaging of it. Oh, my nails look horrible. This is the packaging of it, and this is the color that I have. I'm gonna look and see what the name of this shade is that I have. Let's see. Oh, so this is the Weekend Getaway. Weekend Getaway. Okay, so the retail value of this is $15. So this is $15. So it's a hydrating hybrid. So it's a lipstick and a lip balm in one. So that's my second item. Next I have is my Daily Dose of Uplift Smooth and Lift. So this is a serum cocktail. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging so you can see it. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking pretty. If I can get it out, then I totally can share with you guys what it looks like. But this is the packaging that it comes in. That is so pretty. So let's see what the retail, oh wait. Well, I'm sure you guys, you've seen one serum, you've seen them all. But yeah, it has the dropper and you just drop it, but this is it. And let's see what the retail value of this. So the retail value of this is Skin Ink, and it's the My Daily Dose of Uplift, and the retail value of this is $65. So it's a reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, hyaluronic acid. So it has really good things. So it gives you smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna try this. Can't wait to try that. Okay, so if you guys know, you know I'm super anal about putting things back into packaging. That's just me. Okay, so that's what, my third size item. The next one is brow pencil and brow gel. This is Mocha, and this is by Tristique, I believe is the name of it. And let's open it. And what color did I say this was? Mocha. So it's like the fat crayon, which I love. I love that. And then this is what it looks like. So it's the eyebrow pencil is what it is. I have so many eyebrow pencils, but I feel like you can never have enough. And it's also a pencil and a brow gel. So at this end is the brow gel, the spoolie with the brow gel. So let's see what the retail value of this. So the retail value of the Tristique refillable brow pencil and gel is $26. So the retail value of that is $26. So that is my fourth size, full size item. And the very last one is an eyeshadow palette. You can never go wrong with an eyeshadow palette. Like, duh. Who can go wrong with an eyeshadow palette? Not me. All right, excuse me. This is Cobb Cosmetics Day and Night. I love the packaging. Super cute. All right, I have, listen, if I showed you guys my closet with all of the Boxycharm boxes of makeup and stuff that I have, you'll be like, girl, why? Ooh, these are some really, really pretty colors. Let me show you guys. Look at these. Look how pretty these shades are. Aren't they gorgeous? And it comes with a mirror up here. Oh, these are gorgeous. Okay. I definitely see colors in here that I want to use. So the retail value of Cobb Cosmetics is $52. So this is $52. And yeah, this is the day and night, I'm sorry. This is the day and night eyeshadow palette. So that is my fifth size item. So I have shared with you all 5 full size items that I received in my May subscription box. So again, if you guys are interested in trying out Boxycharm, I totally recommend them. Like in every video I say, I do recommend them. I think it's amazing to try out different brands, to test different products. And so yeah, so if you are interested in trying out Boxycharm, I will leave my referral link in the description box below. This video is in no way, shape, or form sponsored by Boxycharm. I just like to show you guys what amazing things I get each and every month from a Boxycharm. So I hope you guys I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that each and every time I upload another video, you will be the first to be notified. And I thank you again for watching this video. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.